Hi, I'm Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And shout out to my Monday and Thursday 6 to 8 and my Sunday 3 to 5 class. If you're looking for videos for Test 1, Section 3, numbers 2, 4, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 20, there's already been videos shot on it. This is Section 3 of Test 1, number 9, which reads, what is the solution to the system of equations above? You can see the system up there. There's two major ways to approach this. One is you could use your answer choices. You could plug them right in. The answer choice has got to work in both equations. If it works in both equations, then you're good. Notice for the second one, the x and y are switched. Usually standard form, the x comes before y in standard form. We have y coming before x, so don't let that throw you off. If we were to plug in answer choice A into the top equation, what we'd have is 3 times negative 5 plus 4 times negative 2 equals negative 23. We get negative 15 minus 8 equals negative 23. It checks out. So let's plug it into the second equation. 2 times negative 2, remember the y it's attached to the 2, minus, and then notice your x is a negative 5, so it's minus a negative 5 equals negative 19. Now we get negative 2. When you subtract a negative, you add a positive, plus 5, and we get 1, which does not equal negative 19. Answer choice A is gone. Okay, we move on to answer choice B. And for answer choice B, what we get is 3 times 3 plus 4 times negative 8 equals negative 23. We get 9 minus 32 equals negative 23, and it checks out. So we plug it into the second one. 2 times negative 8 minus 3 equals negative 19. We get negative 16 minus 3, which does in fact equal negative 19. Answer choice B is your correct answer. You'd mark your answer to move on. Alternately, and I would say, if anything, this first approach that we just did, a little bit more time consuming. If you're not good with systems of equations, it's a great approach. If you are good with systems of equations, what's probably better is to switch the order of the bottom equation and actually do a system. So the top equation, 3x plus 4y equals negative 23. Now you want to ask yourself two questions when you're solving a system of equations. Number one, should you solve for x or solve for y? I am going to solve for x here. Why? Because when I look at my answer choices, all my x values are different, and I'm not going to have to plug back in for y. If I solve for y first, notice answer choice C and D both have negative 6 in them. The other thing I want to ask myself is, should I eliminate or substitute? And typically things are in standard form where it's easier to eliminate, so that's what we're going to do here. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the order, and I'm going to multiply the equation by negative 2. So first, switching this order would be negative x plus 2y equals negative 19. And then second, we said we want to eliminate the y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this equation by negative 2. What I get is a positive 2x minus 4y equals positive 38. And then you can see your y's cancel. Here I get 5x equals 15. Divide both sides by 5, and you can see that your x equals 3, and you're done. The only x that has a 3 in it is answer choice B. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with systems of equations. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.